And tomorrow is decision day for Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine. Channel 5's Tony Velasquez Jr. with the impact it could have if it's given the green light.
The FDA has found the single-use Johnson & Johnson vaccine to be safe, which paves the way for it to be the third COVID-19 vaccine to be authorized in the U.S., possibly as soon as Friday.
What does the FDA approval for Johnson & Johnson mean for the hospitals in the Valley, and more importantly, what does it mean for the people in the Valley?
First of all, it's only one dose,
which makes the logistics of vaccinating much easier.
It requires less temperature, so it's easier to handle than the other vaccines.
Which makes it more available to rural parts of the Valley that can't afford those sub-temp freezers we've seen, and easier to get to those homebound. But what about the efficacy?
The reason the efficacy on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is lower is because it's been tested not only in South Africa, but also in Latin America.
This is the only vaccine that has been widely tested with the new variants,
which is extremely important in this phase of the pandemic.
So the total efficacy of the vaccine is about 66%. And some people might say, oh, that's too low compared to the Pfizer and the Moderna.
But the most important number to keep in mind,
remember this number, 100% decreased in hospitalizations and death.
So that's really great news for the hospitals that you've been working in firsthand.
Exactly. So from all these people that took the vaccine, nobody went to the hospital, which is amazing. That means that the vaccine is very successful in decreases the severity of the illness.
In McAllen, Tony Velasquez Jr., Channel 5 News.